Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to extract data from text. This tool is a game changer for anyone working with large amounts of information, whether you're a researcher, student, or just a curious mind. All right, let's dive right in. Step 1 is to prepare your text. Whether you have a document, a web page, or a large block of text, you'll want to have it ready to input into ChatGPT right here. For this example, I'll be using a sample document about climate change. Let's copy a section of this text. So here's the document I'll be using for the demonstration right here. Then I'll be highlighting this section right here, which talks about greenhouse gas emissions under the causes of climate change. So let's go ahead and copy it. You either use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C or use a mouse to right-click and click copy. Next, we'll set up our query. This is crucial because the way you phrase your question can significantly impact the results you get. Paste your text right here into ChatGPT's interface, right here in the input. There we go. Now we need to ask ChatGPT to extract specific data. For instance, let's say we want to extract key statistics and facts about greenhouse gas emissions. So let's say I'll put together my prompt here. Extract key statistics and facts about greenhouse gas emissions from the following text. You can either go for a table form or just simply a paragraph form. Let's say I'll spice things up a bit with my prompt. Generate the results in table form. This is optional, by the way. If you want paragraph form, use paragraph form. If you want table form, go for table form for ChatGPT to generate. So then we'll hit send right here. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Here, ChatGPT has pulled out several key points about greenhouse gas emissions. But what if the results are too broad or not specific enough? This is where refining your query comes in. Try adding more details to your query. For example, you can paste the same paragraph that you provided in the previous chat room right here. Then here's another prompt that I just refined. So let's say, extract the most recent statistics on greenhouse gas emissions from any web sources to support the paragraph information above. So here, we guide ChatGPT to narrow down the information further by specifying the most recent statistics right here. This helps in filtering out older data that we might not need. So let's see how ChatGPT would respond and provide us with new information possibly. As you can see, there we go. Here is what ChatGPT had generated based on numerous web sources. So if the results still aren't quite right, you can still continue to refine your query. For example, you could specify a particular year or range of years you're interested in. Here's another example. Let's say, extract statistics on greenhouse gas emissions from 2020 to 2023 from any web sources in support of the information paragraph. You can either ask it still in paragraph form or make it in table form. This is optional, by the way. It depends on which form would you want ChatGPT to generate. So let's see the results. So here is what ChatGPT had generated, the table form, everything. So by refining your queries and specifying your needs clearly, you can get more accurate and useful data from ChatGPT. Once you're happy with the extracted data, The next step is to export it for your use. You can simply copy it right here. Select this data that you have right here. Or you can just click download here, download the table. You can click download. Here we go. It already has been provided through an Excel document. With the rest, you can just click it, select, copy. Then you can just paste it in this document page over there. And there you have it. Now you have your extracted data neatly organized and ready to use. With this powerful tool like ChatGPT at your fingertips, you can effectively gather and utilize information for any project, whether it's for research, presentations, or personal use.